This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing power and getting tools ready. Safety and documentation save time later. First, remove the 4 base screws and separate the casing so you can see the linkage and potentiometer. Once open, take photos of wire routing and lever orientation so reassembly is exact. Next, gently disconnect the potentiometer plug and free the shift lever from its detents. That unlocks the shaft for modification. Make sure to keep screws and small parts organized in a tray to avoid losing. Now you convert the shifter into a single-axis handbrake by removing detents and changing leverage. Carefully file the detent teeth until the lever moves freely through a smooth arc. Test frequently to avoid overcutting. Fit a pivot adapter or replace the shaft with a 6 mm rod and secure it with a set screw so you get more throw. Reroute and shorten the potentiometer wiring for clean travel. Once done, check that the pot rotates consistently and returns without binding or noise. Finish by reassembling the casing and confirming mechanical clearance and secure wiring so the lever won't pinch. Once closed, plug into your PC and open device calibration. Set minimum and maximum endpoints, apply a small dead zone of 2 to 5%, and test response in-game. If the input is noisy, clean the potentiometer with electronics contact cleaner and cycle it. If travel is inconsistent, check pivot alignment and set screw tightness. Make sure to save calibration profiles and retest before playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.